AI models are often amazing and very capable when it comes to web development, but sometimes they get stuck on seemingly simple issues. This lesson explores a couple of these common problems from our Can AI Fix It test project. Let's see if Pinegrow's AI assistant can solve them. Our first challenge involves this image gallery. Notice that two of the images don't completely fill their cards, leaving an empty space below. Unlike the other images, they don't cover their entire grid cell. Let's use the Claude Sonnet model for this task. First, we select the gallery grid, which is the parent element containing the images. Then, we'll use the Smart HTML Edit Element action to focus the AI's attention only on this selected element and its children. Now let's run our prompt, asking the AI to make the Wax On and Sunset Crew images cover the whole card. The AI provides a response, but as you can see, nothing on the page has changed. Let's try a follow-up prompt to be more specific. We'll clarify that the images should cover the whole grid cell. And there we go. This time, the AI understood the task and fixed the images perfectly. Of course, this is a simple issue that can also be fixed manually. Let's quickly undo the AI's changes. By selecting the two images and opening the Properties panel, we can inspect their classes. The problem is caused by height classes that set a fixed height on the images at certain breakpoints. To fix this, we'll select both images, remove all the responsive height classes, and instead set the main height class to hfull, which makes the images fill the vertical space of their parent container. Now for the second problem. This purple hero section is supposed to have a background image, but it isn't visible. Looking at the element structure, we can see the div with the background image has a negative z-index class applied, which is causing it to be hidden behind its parent container. Let's see if the AI can figure this out. With the hero element selected, we'll run a new prompt stating that the background image is not visible and asking the AI to fix it. The AI correctly identified and removed the negative z-index class, but it also changed the background image URL, which has now broken the image display. So, while it fixed one thing, it broke another. Let's undo that change to restore the correct image. This project provides a simple playground where you can evaluate how different AI models perform when tasked with fixing common web development issues.